Hmm. So, good day to all of you who are watching this presentation today. By the way, my name is Jar Hinilia, and I am studying at Roman Civil Memorial Colleges Foundation Incorporated, and I am second year college in section C. I'm taking a Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education. So I am here today to talk about something very important, teaching. when we when we hear the word profession, we think of job like doctors, engineers, lawyers, or business people. These jobs are great and they help our world a lot, but today I want to tell you why teaching is the noblest of all profession. So because it is so noble, we must make sure that people who become teacher are the are the best they can be, and that they get the best preparation before they start teaching. So now, what does noble mean? So what does noble mean? When we see a profession is a noble, we mean it is good, honest, and help student and help others people in a big way. A noble job is not just about making money, getting famous. It is about making a different in the lives of other, and there is no job that does this more than teaching. So now, think about your own life. Who taught you how to count? Who taught you how to read? Who helped you how to understand wrong from how to understand right from wrong? So for most of us, it was a teacher. Maybe it was your teacher in kindergarten or in elementary school, even in high school. So teacher are the people who build the foundation of our lives. They give us the tool we need to become doctors, engineer, lawyer, or whatever we want to be. Without 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 teacher, there will be no other profession. That is why teaching is the best of all other work in the world. So I will talk about three main things. First, why teaching is the noblest profession. Second, what happen when we do not give teaching the best profession and best people. And third, how we can make sure that teaching gets the respect and support it deserves. Na I hope that after this talk, you will see teaching in a new way, not just a job, but as a great gift to our world. So, now, let's have a question. What makes a profession noble? So, what makes a profession noble? So, first, help people grow, build a better society, needs care and honesty, make a long-term difference. So another question, why teaching is the noblest profession? So first, talk about what makes any profession noble. As I said earlier, a noble profession does more than just earning money. It has four key parts. First, it helps people grow. Second, it help a better society. Third, it needs care and honesty, and it makes a long-term difference in the world. So let let's look at each part. Let's look at each part and see how teaching fits all them. So first, teaching helps people grow. So when a doctor help a patient, they make up the person healthy again. When a engineer build a bridge, they help people to get another place to get one place to another. But but when a teacher work with a student, they help the student become a teacher. They help the student become a better person, not just in one way but in many ways. Teacher teach us facts and skill, but they also teach us how to think, how to solve problem, and how to work others. They help us to find our talents and our dreams. So, for example, think of a child who is shy and does not like to talk in class. A good teacher will not just leave them alone. They will find ways to help the student, to help the child, help to find ways to help the child feel safe, to speak up, and to share their ideas. Over time, that child may become a leader, a speaker, or someone who help other shy kids. That is growth that lasts a lifetime. No other job touches that whole person in this way. So, second, teaching build a better society. Every good thing in our world starts with education. When we have a good teacher, we have people who know how to make our communities better. Teacher teach us about our rights, our duty as a citizens. They teach us to respect people who are different from us. They teach us to work hard, to be honest, and to help others. So let's take a real example from Philippines. So in many small towns and villages, teachers are the one who start project to help their community. They may start a clean up drive or a reading club for kids who do not have books at home. So they may teach parents how to help their children with schoolwork. When teacher do not do this thing, they are not just teaching in the classroom. They are building a stronger, happier. Without teacher, our communities would not grow or get better. Third, teaching needs care and honesty. A noble profession needs people who are good and honest. Teacher have a lot of trust please in them. Parents give us their children to teachers every day, knowing that the teacher will keep them safe and help them learn. So, students look up to their teacher as a role model. If a teacher is not honest or does not care, it can hurt the student and the whole community. But most teachers take this trust very seriously. They work long hours not just in class but also preparing lesson, checking homework, and taking to parents. They use their own money to buy supply for their student. Sometimes they steal it to help a student who is having trouble. This care and honesty is what makes teaching so noble. It's not just about doing a job. It is about loving the people you work with. And last, for teaching makes a long-term difference with a doctor health efficient. The effect is fact. The person feels better right away when an engineering build a road. We can use it right away, but the work of a teacher takes time to show its full effect. A child may learn sometimes from a teacher when they are 4 years old, but they may not use that knowledge until they are 30 years old, or they may become teacher themselves and pass on what they learn to the next generation. For example, let's say a teacher let's see a teacher a teacher teaches a student about the importance of taking care of our planet. The student may not do anything about it about when they are young. So but when they grow up, maybe they becomes a scientist who find our to clean our rivers, or leaders who make law to protect our forest. The teacher lesson did not just affect one person, it affect it all the people who student will help in the future. All of these things helping people grow, building society, care for care for care for others, and making long-term change. And why teacher is noblest profession in the world. It is a job that changes lives, families, community, and even whole country. So what happened when teaching not given the best preparation? So why why we need good preparation and candidates? First is bad teaching hurts student. Second, weak education weakens society. So why teaching needs the best preparation and candidates? Now that we know why teaching is noble, let's talk about why it needs the best preparation and the best people. If we do not give it if we do not give teaching the support it deserve, but bad things can happen, not just for student but for our whole country. Let's look at what can go wrong, and why good preparation and good teacher are so important. First, first, bad teaching hurt student. If a teacher is not prepared well, they cannot teach their student the right things. They may give wrong information, or they may not know how to help student who are having trouble. This can make student feel stupid or unimportant. They may stop liking school, and they may not finish their education. When that happens, they have fewer chance to get good jobs, or to help their families. Example, and but when a teacher is well prepared, the opposite happens. They know how to make hard topics easy to understand, and they know how to help each student learn in their own way. They make school a place where student want to be. This helps student to will in school at life. Second, weak education weakens society. If many teachers are not well prepared, or not good their job, our whole education system become weak. When students do not learn well, they cannot become good workers. And student student is- and Because when students do not learn well, they cannot become good worker, good citizen, or good leaders. They can make our country less strong and less safe. Let's think about this. If people do not learn how to read and write, well, they cannot understand important information like health advice or new about their community. If do not learn how to think critically, they may believe lies or be tricked by bad people. If they do not learn how to work with others, our community will have more fight and less confusion. But when we have a good teacher, our society become stronger. Students grow up to be people who can solve problems, help others, and make our country better, become doctors who save lives, engineers who build better homes, and leaders who make fair laws, and all of this start with good things.